Welcome to Mini Orange Social Login plugin, to configure Windowslive app. On WordPress dashboard, go to Mini Orange Social Login plugin. We are going to set up Windowslive custom app. On right side section you will get instructions to set up Windowslive. Click on developer link for Windowslive. You will get on app registration for Azure AD. We need to register an application first. Give an appropriate name for your application. Next, select second option accounts in any organizational directory and for personal accounts. Next, to get redirect URI for your app, go to Windowslive instructions in plugin. Now copy your redirect URL format and paste it in web field. Great, we have set up our app successfully. Now click on register button. On next page you will get application client ID, so copy it and paste it in app ID field. Now go back to Windowslive. Click on Certificates and Secrets tab in it. Here we need to generate new client secret for us. You can select any validation as require. Now click on Add button. Here our client secret has get generated as you see. Now copy it and paste it in app secret field in plugin. Great, we have set up our custom app successfully. Now click on Save and Test Configuration. Next we need to authorize our app by click on Yes. Here you will get your attribute display successfully. Now go back to your Windowslive icon. Here you can see your app has get activated. Let's try to register with our Windowslive custom app. On login page, click on Windowslive icon. Here as you see we got register with our Windowslive attribute in WordPress. Thank you for choosing Mini Orange. For more information reach miniorange.com or you can contact us at info@secure5.com.